Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you this high protein red velvet flavor pancake. So let's get straight on to it. The first thing that you're going to need is obviously your pancake mix. I use the brand Kodiak, regular buttermilk flavor. You're also going to need protein. This is the protein powder that I use. I order it off Amazon and it's by the brand Sasha Fitness. It's one of the best flavor vanilla protein powders that I have personally tried out there. Vanilla one is a hard one to find, I feel like. You're going to need Hershey cocoa powder. This is the one that I found to have the lowest calorie, 5 calories per tablespoon. You're also going to need Greek yogurt. I have the Light and Fit right here, which I use it, but I typically, for my pancakes, I use just the brand Phage and the 0% fat, but I didn't have that, so I'm using this. You're also going to need cream cheese, some Swerve confectioner sugar, almond milk, vanilla extract, apple cider vinegar, and your maple syrup. Like I said, this is one of my favorite ones. Perfect consistency and flavor. Yeah, highly recommend it. So the full measurements are going to be listed down below along with the full macros, so you can go ahead and screenshot them and make them yourself. Like I always encourage you guys to get a food scale, as it's really easy to go overboard sometimes and we can possibly be counting wrong our calories, and sometimes that's why we're not losing weight, because not knowing we're overeating, at least in the beginning. Now I do eye a lot of my things, but it's been a journey of losing 115 pounds, so I kind of can eyeball sometimes. But even then, my pancakes, I always measure them. In your bowl, you're going to add your pancake mix, protein powder, cocoa, and a splash of vanilla and a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Remember, red velvet pancakes are not just a vanilla base and dyed red. No, it actually has its own flavor. It's not fully chocolate, but it's not fully vanilla. But then there's like a kick that's typically done with apple cider vinegar or just any vinegar, or using buttermilk. But personally, I didn't want to use buttermilk to save me some calories. So you want to go ahead and add just a few drops of red food coloring to get the desired color that you personally like it to be, and add your water. You're going to stir it, and then we're going to get straight on to our filling. I always like making my pancake batter first, as I notice that when it sits, it gets thicker when it sits for a few minutes before I start cooking it. I don't know, I like it, and I don't know if that's why my pancakes come out fluffy. Who knows? But I always do it. For our cream cheese frosting, we're going to be using our Greek yogurt, cream cheese, a splash of vanilla, and a splash of almond milk as well. Like I said, full measurements are going to be listed down below. And you want to go ahead and stir. I almost forgot a little bit of our confectioner sugar. And then here I'm using this handheld little whisk that I purchased from Amazon, just to help blend that cream cheese, as when I use the fork, it's still really clumpy. So this one helps out just a tad bit more than my fork. Like I mentioned in my past video, these little pans, I actually purchased them off from Safeway, but I went in yesterday looking for 2 more and I couldn't find them, so I'm going to try and find a little dupe from Amazon. If I can, I'll link it down below. But check out your Safeway, maybe they'll have them. They work phenomenal. I personally need 2 more just because on the weekends, by the time my first 2 pancakes came out and by the time I finish all the other pancakes that I have to make for my family, they're typically cold now. So 2 more wouldn't hurt. You want to go ahead and add your batter. I add about 3 spoonfuls onto my little pans. You can make 4 thick pancakes or you can make 6 thin ones depending what you like. I personally always do 4 stacks. I just like fluffy pancakes. Rare times, like my past video, I did 6. Now for the fun part, we're going to start assembling. So layer pancake, layer frosting, layer pancake, layer frosting, and you keep it going. And I just sprinkled some powdered sugar on top. You can go ahead and add some berries if you like berries on top of your pancakes. I just kept it nice and simple today, but if you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe. I will be sharing more of these recipes of what helped me lose weight, the recipes that I would do, which, to be honest, a lot of my breakfasts always include pancakes or oatmeal, but I do a variety of flavors, and I feel like that's why I never get tired of it, because there's billions and billions of flavors that you can mix and match all the time with both oatmeal and pancakes. But I will also be sharing other lunch, dinner ideas, snacks, all that kind of stuff. So if you're on a weight loss journey, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Have an amazing day.